Right, hey guys, what's going on? It's me, C's, and today we're going to be unboxing my new PC case. So yeah, let's get into it. So yeah guys, there's the case. I'm just going to get it out of there. See you then. Right, so yeah guys, that is the current case. Let me get used for my new ring. Go take a look inside of it. And this is the inside pretty much.